from all the Schindler's elevators in this place, this one is actually the most fine from all. I mean, fine, which is not functional like it's about to die. Maybe except the door operator, which is closing. Fuck off. Fuck off. Yo, fuck off! No! Unbelievable. Wow. This is amazing. I didn't know that. Wow, it's so silent when it goes down. Forget what I said. Forget what I fucking said. It's... Oh, wow, we're sure going to write about this. Wow, wow, wow. Why did I open my mouth? This thing has turned on me. Beautiful. What a timing. Do it again, honey. Do it again. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's make a cab view. The cab looks the same like it usually does, but now I am really sure that all the Schindler elevators in this place are trash. Unbelievable. It's just, it gone down really quiet and then it just fucked up. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. You know what? I want to stand here. I want to stand in the middle. Absolutely broken. I guess I'm done. Broken piece of shit. Well, this thing is also terrible. Everything that is Schindler in this place is shit. That's it.